Oh, sorry guys. Hey. Anyway, so here we are. Last layout of the day. It is of me and my honey bunny riding away in the sunset. This is a piece of paper. The Paper Studio. Got that from the good old Hobby Lobby. This one I'm going to keep extremely simple and easy. Mainly because I like the background paper. I think it's doing all the work for me. Now this wasn't going to be perfectly spaced, but good enough. And then I'm going to pause you for the title, because obviously the title is going to be Happily Ever After. I don't want you to have to sit and watch me put all these alphas down, which are these. I'm going to do a little bit of enforcement with my glitter glue here, just to ensure optimal stickage. Come on, there we go. I don't know, what the heck? I don't know if you guys have seen the stoppers from May Made It. May Made It. But it's so that you don't lose your little bobby thing. Not that I have an issue with that anymore. And I wasn't going to mat this picture in the beginning, and then I just thought it kind of just didn't do enough for me, so I was like, you know what, when you're missing something, add a layer. It'll make it all okay. I wanted this to peek out just a little bit on the end so you could, I mean, it's not hard to figure out it's a heart, but you know. Then I picked out Just Married at the top here. Nice. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. Our Happily Ever After. So, that is that. Still gotta add a few little... These are silver though. That's gonna look weird, isn't it? Alright. I feel like maybe yeah, there's no pink on here except for my flowers. Hey now. There's Nuvo drops down. Chill out. I think this one might be too bright. There's a little bit of pink. Got some hearts. You never go wrong with a heart. Am I right? I know. I think these are too bright for this page. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, look at me. Look at me. I know. I need to calm down because... Alright, I think I'm done. Just a little bit of something to round it all off and be done with my album. Anywho, let me know what you guys think, and if you saw the whole series, I thank you for sticking it out with me. I'll probably do a flip through because some people enjoy those, and you know, if you're one of them, it'll be coming soon. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to get your crafty time in. Bye!